drop from the panel above. Stay seated, pull down the oxygen mask to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering. Just place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and screw the mask with an elastic band. Tie by pulling on the end. The bag will not inflate, however, oxygen will be flowing. Put your mask on before helping others and keep it on to crew member 7 is no longer necessary. There's a life vest under your seat. Life vest is provided if needed. If instructed by a crew member, remove your vest by pulling the red tab and tearing open the bag. Place the vest over your head, bring the waist strap to the front, and buckle. Tie by pulling on the end. Just as you leave the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply in the red tabs. Now expandingly inflate the vest by blowing into the tubes. The light will activate in water. Evacuation signs at the forward doors can also be used for flotation. Federal law requires you to comply with all crew member instructions, lighted signs, and posted placards. Interference with crew members strictly prohibited. Federal law also strictly prohibits smoking, vaping, chewing tobacco, or consuming alcohol anywhere on board the aircraft. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the laboratory smoke detectors is also prohibited. Your safety and well-being are important to us, which is important in welcoming and return the crew member. Please select in the cabin which are seated when available. For security reasons, allowing form in or near the forward galley. If you need to use the forward lavatory during our flight, you must wait at row 6 first class until the lavatory is available. Prepare us for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seatback and tray table are up. Larger items like bags, laptops, and couches, keyboards, and purses are under the seat in front of you. If you are seated next row, keep window shades open and plug the devices for takeoff. And with that, we're ready for our 2-hour, 12-minute flight time to Seattle. Enjoy the flight.